Good morning guys, this is Umair Hamid and welcome to my channel. First of all, Happy New Year. It's 2021 and I am going to share a story which was in the end of December 2020. We had a very long weekend during the Christmas holidays, and me and a few of my friends, we thought to spend this holidays at the most. We didn't have snow here in the town where I live, Jönköping, so we thought let's go to somewhere north where it's a lot of snow, and we plan a trip for almost 4 days, which includes traveling as well, and then we moved. So this trip was to Kiruna. In the start of this year, I have done this trip, but by myself. I went through I take a bus from here, and then I went by airplane to Kiruna, and I was by myself, so it was good, it was okay, but it's not that fun that I had this time because I had my friends with me, and it was very fun. And we drove from Jönköping to Kiruna. It took 22 hours. We took very minimum stops, but you have to take stops, you have to fill gas, and you have to eat up because it's a very long, it's almost 1,600 and something kilometers, almost 1,700 kilometers, and it's not a normal road. Of course, after a certain point, after like 7 to 900 kilometers, you will have to face heavy snow on this road. The road says like you can go up to 120 kilometers per hour, but you have to slow it down because it's so slippery. It's a minus 15 out, and it's wind blowing, kind of a blizzard, you can't see in front of you, so you have to drive very slowly. Google says it's 17-hour or 18-hour of trip, but no, it's 22 to 23-hour long trip. It was hectic, but we was 4 guys, and we changed drivers after like 5 hours or something, and few of them are very good in driving snow, and that was not me, that was few of my friends. We took off around 3 p.m. and we pick up a friend from it's in Norrköping. It's around 200 kilometers away from Jönköping. We fill up our car, and one thing which we do is to cook the food before we go there. Like, we didn't eat there, we made it home, and then we bring it with us. We load up the car, and then we was on the way. The way was clear. We passed Stockholm, and then we went to take some more breaks, and then it was start snowing, and we can see like okay, we are moving toward the north because of snow, and there was like snow cleaners everywhere. Sometimes we have to stop because the snow cleaner was in front of us, and it's only a single road that you cannot overtake, and after some point we overtake. It takes a lot of time. We reach up to a certain point and we fill up our gas again, and here you can see we have done some drifting as well. My friend tried to do some drifting, but you can't do well if you don't have a rear wheel drive, so this was front wheel drive. So finally we reached to our hotel room after 23 hours of traveling. We was tired, we wanted to get a nap, and we took around 5 hours of a nap, and then we went out for the search of northern lights, because that was a thing that I didn't get the last time I visited. So we drove from Kiruna to Abisko, which is around 100 kilometers or something, but it was overcasted, like highly, like it's clouds everywhere, you can't see anything. But as far as as we move toward the north, more toward the Norway border, the sky getting clear. And there was one place where I thought like it's a very nice place because there's a mountain, and I tried to make some kind of a time lapse. Meanwhile, when we was waiting for the time lapse to complete, suddenly we see something green in the sky, and it was magical. We was on the side of a road, there was some space in a parking space, we was there, and when we see this green light kind of appearing on the sky from the north side, that's why it's called northern lights, because it's appear on the north side, and the other people who were looking for northern lights all come together, and everybody was like taking photo, and then I put my camera setup up and everything up, and I get to see this amazing northern lights. It's one in a lifetime. There are many people who live in Sweden for like 40-50 years of their lives here in Sweden, but they have never seen northern lights. And here I am, who is a foreigner, who have no idea of anything about cold or anything, because I'm from a very warm country, and I get to see northern lights, and I'm thinking to go one more time to see like this huge big aurora which covers the whole sky, and it's all green and everything. So that was my hunt, and that was the part 1 of the trip to Kiruna. And stay tuned for more. More is coming up. Till then, Umair Hamid signing off. Bye.